What's up, all you Transformer fans out there? Freakenstein here with the sixth deal I got today at Paper Heroes, Windsor, Ontario comic book store. $35 for 30th anniversary, 2014 Sandstorm. He is a triple changer, and that's why I left him for last. So let's get down to it. We'll open this guy up and take a look. Yeah, I've been finding some really good deals, $20, you know. Like, in stores, these guys would be just crazy prices. Like, the prices nowadays for Hasbro stuff is ridiculous, especially here in Canada. So we'll get him out here. And as usual, we got some ties that, just for some reason, like, my cats just love them. Like, all I do is tie them up like this, and I can play fetch all day with my cat. It's ridiculous. But for these ones, I'm just going to cut them because I already got a lot. And I think she'd be overwhelmed if I put any more on. You never know. So this is Sandstorm. Now, I don't really know too much about Sandstorm. I can't even remember if I've seen him in G1 or not. I know I've seen Springer, but Sandstorm, I'm not too sure of. He is an Autobot, that's for sure. So let's take a look at his head here. Nice looking head. Side view. And the back view. He does come with this gun. I don't know if this gun does anything. Oh, it has a missile. It has a missile. So it does shoot. Not so well, apparently. Not so well, apparently. But yeah, he's got a gun. We'll put that off to the side. And again, we're just transforming from the instructions. And, you know, I said in my last video, I mostly do G1 Masterpiece Transformers, but these guys have been giving me a little bit of a hard time, I'll tell you. I'm not ashamed to admit it. They do give me a bit of a hard time. So I guess we're going from robot mode to aircraft mode, I guess. That's what we're going to do here. So, I guess we're going to open these up. And flip in the hands. And then it says to bring this down like that. All right, so we got that done. So they want me to flip it over. And flip this up. I'm not too sure what it's trying to tell me to do here. I can't see what it's telling me to do here. I guess flip this up. Like that. And flip his head in. Like so. So now it's telling me to take the feet and have them pointed downwards, like that, and to pull these down and connect the legs. So now that the legs are connected, what are we doing here? Fold these down. And pop out the wheel, it's out. It's back. hold all this. I think we were supposed to put these back down. Yeah, that seems a little bit better. So yeah, there we go. I guess that's his aircraft mode. And I guess you could take the gun here. I guess it goes somewhere in here. I'm not too sure what they're trying to tell me. I have no idea, but I suppose you could put it here or back here. But so now I guess we got to bring it all the way back into robot mode. Come on, head. You know what time it is. You all know what time it is. Key knife time. Get his head back. I don't know why I'm having so much problems getting his head back in there. Maybe I gotta keep this part out. Maybe it'll be a lot easier if I swing it in. Yeah, there we go. Like that. And these will just come back up like so. Alright, I'm not going to do anything with the arms because obviously no matter what, we're going to have to put the arms back in. They always show that. So it's going to turn into a dune buggy. So again, it says bring the arms down. We got that covered. We're going to bring this back up again. Put his head away again. Alrighty. I'm going to bring these all the way up. Close the feet back up. really. I don't know. That's what it says it's supposed to do, guys. I honestly don't understand, but maybe it's supposed to have this back thing like that, but it just looks really weird. Honestly, it does. Maybe I missed a step. I'm not sure. I'm just taking a look right now. It doesn't look like I missed a step. Oh, see, I'm glad I went back and took a look because I knew that this didn't look right. So, that's a lot better. Makes more sense. There we go. Oh, that's why. So yeah, bear with me. This is the first time I've ever even seen sandstorm. So there we go. There's sandstorm, and here's a dune buggy. Well, I think that wraps it up for this guy. If you guys like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep making them. But as always, this is Freakenstein saying, keep playing, and Freakenstein out.